French, they speak English. I met them at the festival. Today was kind of a rough start, but it's keep turning around. Fabian, where are you from? Singapore?
Yeah, I'm Thai. Same.
Same thing.
Yeah.
And they might be teaching with me, so this is awesome! And they're gonna show me the gym with air conditioning and a pizza spot. Right? You're gonna show me the pizza spot?
Yes.
So I can have cheese again! Should we try and walk through here? Let's see what happens. Check out this menu! They have spooky spaghetti with pig, chicken, and sea. Go ahead and cut the pizza.
What is it? Ham and bacon pizza? Ham, bacon, tomato. What is it?
Okay. Let's see.
Oops.
We gotta cut this a little bit more. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm at my new friend's place. Oh gosh, it's so bright out here. Just had lunch and we're hanging out. Now we're gonna go see these cool waterfalls. I'm excited. The destination is on the right.
Oh, maybe we just park here and we just walk around and see.
There's a map.
Yeah. So where should I park? Let's follow the music. Yeah, the music takes.
Heading down to the waterfall now. We made it! Do you guys want to pronounce what this is called?
Nam Kan Leong.
That was really good. That sounded Chinese. No. Look how pretty.
Hi, we are at Nam Kan Leong Waterfall.
Okay, let's duck our heads back. It is like Jumanji in here. We're looking for the music. We heard it coming down, and then we were at the waterfall. We didn't hear it anymore. And now we're going to search for it again.
Yay!
That would be a nice place to camp. Let's see this statue. Fancy a cup of tea? It's a Buddha statue.
Lots of Buddha.
Lots of Buddha. What did we stumble upon? Where are we?
And these are the names of the Buddha. You can see from here.
Yo, it's a dinosaur.
Yeah. They called Tyrannosaurus. Nah. It's a Thai what?
A Tigosaurus.
Tigosaurus.
That's a good one. We've stumbled upon a village. It's kind of crazy. No one's around. The sun looks like it's shining perfectly on it. We found the music. It looks like they're tailgating to me. Do you know what tailgating is?
I know. Just right.
You think that's a hot tub? It's hard to tell if it's warm or if it's just warm out in general.